I'm going to show you how to change the battery for your fob for a Subaru. Works for a variety of years like 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Works for a variety of Subarus as well. And all you're going to do is turn this fob over to the back. You're going to push on that little silver tab and pull up, and voila, there's a key. So what you're going to do is you're going to see this silver tab here. And so there's a long silver bar and then a little silver piece right there. You're going to go to the piece literally right below where the key was, and you're going to put your key in there, and then you just twist. And when you twist that, what's going to happen, you can see that fob is starting to separate in the center. So just gonna pop it all the way free, and it will release your fob. And here's your fob, and here's your control, and there is your battery. So now to get that battery off, at the top piece here, you're going to see two little tiny tabs. You're actually going to want to get behind the battery with one finger and then pull up on both of those, and it will release that battery. So you'll get rid of the old battery, you'll take your new battery, slide it in from the top, and push down. It will reseat it. And then to close it back up, all you're going to do is, you can see there's the round space for the battery here. It'll actually set in nicely. If you put it in the other way, it actually doesn't close, so it has to go one way. Once you have that in there, you're going to grab the top part of the fob, seal it towards the back end, push down, and click. And you have replaced your battery. Hopefully that helps. Please like and subscribe. Last but not least, take your key, push it in, and you're done.